Hi, my name is Daniel Hodges and I'm in ACG 2021. In this project, I analyzed data and created a dashboard for cat manufacturing. I created a variety of sheets which came together to make an interactive dashboard. First off, I have a revenue by year graph which shows increase in revenue the past 3 years, except for 2019. Then I made a total sales by quarter and year graph, which makes it easier to digest information. I also made a revenue by category chart, which shows which sectors are making the most money. Next, I have the sales by product line chart, which shows which products are driving in the most revenue. After that, I have the top customers in sales, which shows who's buying the most. And lastly, I have the sales by division, which shows which countries are having the most sales, and this graph is showing the information from the previous sheet, this map right here. And this is the dashboard, and in the dashboard I'm now going to show you the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020. So we do that by clicking on 2020, clicking on third quarter, and it is 7,900,000. You get the gist. And now we're going to see the total sales revenue for the medical category in 2021 for the second quarter. So we click second quarter, medical, that's going to be 457,117. Now we're going to see which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under materials processing. So to do that, we click 2019, materials processing, and as we scroll down, uncheck that, see Pulsed YT is at the top right here with 2.5 million. Okay, and now it wants to see the top product line for Germany in 2019, so we leave 2019 as it is, click materials processing so it goes back to normal, and click on Germany. We're going to see that low YT is the highest. Okay, now in 2020, it wants to see which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category for the UK division. So we go to 2020, click telecom, uncheck Germany, check on UK. We're going to see that the second quarter has 157,000. Okay, and now it wants to see the top consumer for the fourth quarter 2020, customer I mean. So we click fourth quarter, unclick the UK, unclick telecom, scroll up, and it's going to be the Fly company. Alright, lastly we want to know who the top consumer in Russia for 2021 is, so we click 2021, we click Russia, and then no customers will pop up. Okay. And finally, if I were on the top management team for cat manufacturing and I needed an overall strategy questions answered, this shows which products are doing the best in what countries, and it shows which products are doing the best in those countries. This helps us show what our company needs to do to be successful and how we are already being successful.